weather back to back these days in a row now. It's about like 85 degrees, finally stable from being cold. It was cold a lot longer than normal this year. Didn't really start warming up until now, it's almost June. But today, headed back to the Crofton wash, just for a quick wash, and then I'm going to be heading over to Troy's house, the guy that was in the video, in the previous video. We're going to be working on detailing this car a little bit. So, hey look, there's a RDR8 over there. I don't know how, if you can see it, but it's nice. Alright, car is all clean. So it's time to head to Troy's house. He actually recommended me this buffer polisher. He sent it to me. He wasn't sure if I was going to buy it or not. So we'll see if he's surprised when I roll up with it. We made it to Troy's casa. Look at Troy in his casa. Casa. Look at that, man. Got no room in here, man. Can't open my door, man. Man.
Man, you got Chick-fil-A. You didn't bring nothing, huh?
I brought some fruit punch. As a matter of fact, there's a Gatorade in there too.
You got a chair back there.
In case I want to sit outside of my car. So here's the polishing pad thing that the guy recommended to me for my hood. This is a clay bar. Here is some fresh scent. And yeah, 2 fresh scents. Last but not least, out of that bag, what the hell is this? Compound.
Yep. It's your buffing compound.
So then we got the...
Your different waxes, sealers, and whatnot.
What is this?
Probably a wax. That black paste wax.
Yep, and then the finish. Does the finish go before the wax?
If this is finishing compound, then yes. That will go on wax.
So what we're gonna do first?
Well, after I finish masking off some of this stuff, we're gonna throw some of that clay luber on here and clay your car.
Nice. And I was telling Troy I really want to try and get this hood cleaned up, but right now we're just going to detail it and see how good that does. But I was looking into getting clear coat and trying to sand it down and re-clear it because I have a spray gun. So why not try and start my paint career with a carbon fiber hood?
Alright, man.
Show us how it's done.
Show you, and you're gonna do it. Look at that. Be generous with the spray. Make sure your clay is warm. Wet. Just go over it. Prime the pad with compound so it's not dry, and then we're going to start tackling the hood. See how aggressive this is.
Compound is done. We're on the way to our next step, which I believe he said is going to be the finisher. Uh-oh, what's that? What's that spray he got?
I'm going to use this to clean all the leftover residue off. Usually when I'm working on something that's hot, if I buff over whatever residue, like you can see there's still some stuff on there, sometimes that comes through. It's like the final step, you're like, what is these smear marks? So I hit it with this and try to get as much of the whole compound off, just because I want it to look good.
Then we got a different pad on there, probably in the finisher.
That's right.
And it smells amazing. I'm about to be rolling down the street smelling like a treat.
We're gonna put some on here and then just smear it on. Leave it for I don't know 15 minutes and then wipe it back off. Once we're done cutting the whole hood, I'll tell the speaker in the ceiling to set a timer for 15 minutes.
There it is. We let it sit for 15 minutes. And now we just wipe it off, apparently. Give it another once over.
I'm thoroughly impressed.
Yeah, it came out really good, like way better than I was even expecting.
Wait, man, we're gonna look good now. Just like we'll make it look real good.
That's it for now. Thanks, Troy.